Hello everyone, this is September Magic's YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to see how I design my pages for September. Not all of them, but a couple of the pages. I am just going to do the opener, a page for goals, and a couple more pages for weeklies. This time I'm going to plan my pages based on some experiences I've had in the past. It happens with most of us that when we decide on a theme, after a few pages we get bored of that theme and we want to move on. We want to stop making those pages and work on something else. So it has happened with me too, except the month of July, which was my Harry Potter theme, and I could not get bored of it ever. So that's why I had a lot of fun with my Harry Potter pages. But with other themes I do get a bit bored, and then it kills the motivation to go on. So I found a solution for that. What I'm going to do from now on is try to combine a few themes together. For example, if I want to do just like underwater or sea creatures and things like that, I'm going to combine it with floral designs. So maybe like draw a whale with flowers around it, or draw turtles and have flowers around it, or something like that, so the best part about doing that is that when I get bored of that, or bored of one thing, or bored of doing the combinations, I can just use any of the two themes. That is, I can just make whales and sharks and octopus and things like that, or I could just draw different kinds of flowers and it will still be the same theme that I'm following. Now, the only thing is that just to keep it under the theme, what you can do is you can tie it all together by making an opener with both the themes together. So in your opener for the month, just make sure that you have both the themes onto that one page, so that the remaining pages look like you're following the theme. It's not a rule to have a theme, but a lot of people like to maintain a theme and yet are not able to do it because as I said, they get bored after a couple of pages. So I think this is a perfect solution. Just make an opener with 2 or 3 themes, like a combination of 2 or 3 themes, and then just make pages with either the combination or each one of the themes separate. What I am going to do for the month of September is I have taken 2 themes. One is succulents, because I love succulents. I love the way they look, and that's the only plant I cannot kill. Otherwise, I don't have a green thumb, and I cannot maintain plants that well. So I'm definitely going to draw those, and at the same time I wanted a little bit of magic with it, something which is celestial, something which is heavenly, divine, with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an opener with both my themes. That is, I have I don't know if you're able to see this, but I have drawn it with pencil. I have made some succulent shapes, and then I have drawn some crystals and moon and stars around it, and I'm going to make this page look magical. So I'm going to fast forward it a bit so that you see the entire process, and we can finish it in time. So let's get started. I've printed these designs on cardstock, and I'm ready to stick these. Also, I've hand painted some accents, gold accents to it, just to make it a little shiny and magical to go with our succulent magical theme. And also I've created another page which is similar to this one, but with a little glass dome which says goals, so that I can write down all my goals in here. So these are going to be this is going to be the opener, and then this is going to be the next page, so that I have two pages facing each other with the same look and feel. Using a bit of glue here, I'm going to just stick it. So if you see, I'm bringing it to the edge of the paper, just so that I don't want too much pressure here, because otherwise the spine may break eventually if I keep, putting more and more things. So I'm just making it like this. So that's one. And then I have this other page which I'm going to stick here. So I added some glue to the back of this, and I'm going to do the same over here, just to keep these edges together. Here it is. I have my opener for the month of September and my page for goals with it. I'm just going to color in the border, make it black, so that it looks very cohesive. So I'm just going to use a black marker to fill the space in between the two pages. So I have darkened the edges. Here I'm just going to add some circles here and there. So there you go. So there is my September layout, my opener and my page for goals. So after the opener, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to design my weekly pages. This time I'm going to make them with a little bit of a difference. In the past few months, I've realized that the method that I used of assigning a section for every day of every week was not working out for me, because I was not writing in all the sections. I was missing some days here and there because I didn't have anything to write. So I'm sure this happens to a lot of you, that even though you make all these pretty pages with sections for each day of the week, but you don't end up writing in all of them. So what I've decided is I'm going to do a weekly page, just one page for week 1, one page for week 2. I'm not going to write anything inside except week 1 here and week 2 here, so that if I feel that on one of the days in week 1 there was something special that happened and I want to jot it down, I will just write the date here and then write down the event, instead of giving space for each day on my journal pages. And the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very quick layout, no really elaborate artistic work. I'm just going to use stickers and a pen to design my weekly page. So I have these cute succulent stickers. Now remember that since we are doing a succulent and a celestial fantasy kind of a theme together, so I want to include both the themes on my pages as long as it's possible. So I just have plain succulent stickers, nothing magical about these, but they're really cute. So these are available at on my Etsy shop if you'd like. So I'm just going to choose 2 of the stickers. I think I want to go with okay, it's hard to choose. Maybe this and this. I'm gonna go with these 2 for the 2 weeks that I'm going to design right now. So there you go, that's our weekly pages. So quick and so easy. A lot of people asked me how much time I spend on my pages. It depends, but when you're in a hurry, this is the best way to do your pages. Just stick some stickers and draw a border, and just that way you can combine 2 themes that did not involve a lot of drawing or artistic abilities. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be seeing you again soon with some tips and tricks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, otherwise you're going to miss some really super cool things that I'm going to show you soon. And don't forget to stay in touch with us, because I'd love to hear from you guys. So until next time, bye bye and have a good day. Happy journaling.